premiering October 26th at 6 p.m. Eastern. Samsung's 2021 Best of Galaxy Store Awards. Recognizing the brilliant game developers for creating the most intriguing and entertaining games. Honoring the best app developers building innovative ways to interact with Samsung devices. Awarding the best theme designers, giving users creative ways to personalize Samsung phones. And celebrating the best Bixby developers for their engaging voice-assisted capsules. Join us for Samsung's 2021 Best of Galaxy Store Awards. Premiering on YouTube October 26th at 6 p.m. Eastern.